In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get to Microsoft Forms. By the end, you will be ready to open Forms whenever you need it. First, open your web browser. This can be any modern browser, like the one you usually use to visit websites. When it opens, make sure you see the address bar across the top of the window, because that is where you will type in the link. Now, go to the Microsoft Forms sign-in help page. In the address bar, type support.microsoft.com. Then navigate to the section for signing into Microsoft Forms. When the page loads, you will see Microsoft branding and information about signing into Forms. This page also explains which accounts can be used, so you can confirm that your account type is supported before you continue. Next, sign in with your account. You can use a personal Microsoft account such as Outlook.com, Hotmail, or Live, a Microsoft 365 work account, or a Microsoft 365 school account. Type your email address, then your password, and proceed through any security checks that appear. A useful tip here, if you have more than one Microsoft account, make sure you pick the one that actually has access to the forms you want to work with, so everything shows up in one place after you log in. After signing in, you will see your Forms homepage. This screen usually shows tiles or cards for any forms or quizzes you created recently, plus a button to create a new form or quiz. From here, you can open an existing form to edit it, share it with others, or check responses. You can also start a brand new form or quiz right away, and any changes you make will be saved automatically as you work. Now let us look at another way to get to Microsoft Forms using the Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store on your device. When it starts, you should see a home area with featured apps and a menu on the side or along the top. This is where you can search for apps to install. From there, click the search bar on top. The cursor will appear in the search box, ready for you to type. This tells the store that your next action will be a search for an app by name. Next, search for Microsoft Forms. Type Microsoft Forms into the search box, then confirm the search. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Forms app from Microsoft. Checking the publisher name helps you avoid installing a different app with a similar name. Once you find it, click Get or Install. The button text may change to show that the download has started. You might see a small progress bar appear, showing how much of the app has been downloaded so far. Wait for it to finish the download and install. When the progress bar reaches 100%, the button usually changes to Open. That means the app is now fully installed on your device and ready to use. Finally, open the Microsoft Forms app and log into your Microsoft account. After you sign in, you will again arrive at the Forms homepage with the same forms and quizzes you saw in the browser. You have now learned 2 easy ways to get to Microsoft Forms, so if this helped you reach your forms more easily, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple Microsoft tips.